Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder naturally at home. First, gather your chosen protein-rich ingredients like oats, nuts, and seeds. Next, we will prepare them for blending to achieve a fine consistency. Finally, I'll show you how to store your homemade powder effectively, ensuring it stays fresh for your daily use. This guide will help you create a personalized and healthy supplement. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a nutritious homemade protein powder. Opt for items like rolled oats, which provide complex carbohydrates and fiber, alongside protein. Almonds, walnuts, or cashews offer healthy fats and a good protein boost. Don't forget to include seeds such as flax or chia for omega-3 fatty acids and additional protein. Ensure all ingredients are completely dry before you begin. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to blend them into a fine powder. Use a high-speed blender and process in small batches to prevent overheating. Blend until you achieve a very fine, flour-like consistency. After blending, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger pieces, ensuring a smooth texture. Store your homemade protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for optimal freshness. Now that you have your homemade protein powder, the fun part begins: customization. Feel free to add natural sweeteners like stevia or a touch of cinnamon for extra flavor. You can also incorporate dried fruit powders for a natural sweetness and nutrient boost. This versatile powder can be mixed into your morning smoothie, stirred into yogurt, or even used in baking recipes for an added protein kick. Remember to check the description below for links to other great deals, including smart speakers, to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.